morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Tuesday, January 11th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor our Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Today in Carrollton will be sunny with a high of 55 degrees and a low of 30 degrees.
Today in history, in 1880, total solar eclipse blackened the sky of San Francisco.
In the headlines, determined Lassie dog leads New Hampshire police back to scene of owner's car crash down a hill. A real-life Lassie saved the lives of two men who had overturned their pickup truck and were lying injured in the cold. Reports are saying that the dog is being treated to lamb and back scratches, a fitting reward for a faithful canine who braved the cold and high-speed traffic to save her owner. Tinsley, a Shiloh shepherd, attracted the attention of the police as she was walking on a stretch of the I-89 connecting New Hampshire to Vermont. Officers of the Lebanon Police Department made attempts to catch her, but she kept running away, eventually leading them to a damaged section of guardrail. When they followed her lead, they saw a badly damaged overturned pickup truck with two injured people nearby who had been thrown from the vehicle. At the scene, the Lebanon police officers called for medical assistance, and they found the two men to be suffering from hypothermia. It was then they learned that the German shepherd named Tinsley belonged to one of the injured occupants of the truck. It quickly became clear that Tinsley led the Lebanon police to the crash site and injured occupants. "She's my little guardian angel," said her owner. "It's a miracle that she had the kind of intelligence to do what she did."
Today's fun fact is, no word in the dictionary rhymes with the word orange.
Really? Now for the joke of the day. Hey Shane.
Yeah?
What do you say to a rabbit on its birthday?
I don't know, what do you say?
Happy birthday.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Shane.
And I'm Lily. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons.